Okay, there's a bird. We're filming. And the ice cream, man. This is ridiculous. Alright, you ready?
Yeah.
We're the Master Brothers, and we're gonna show you how to set up a phone key for your Tesla.
It's super easy to do, and we're gonna show you 2 different methods of how you can do it. So let's get into it.
The first method we're gonna show you is how to set it up from outside of the car, because that's what's worked the most consistently for us. So to start, make sure that your Bluetooth is turned on and the Tesla is locked.
Then go up to the driver's side of the car, open up the Tesla app on your phone, and then click Phone Key. From there, press Start, and that'll start your phone's search for the car. Once your phone has found the car, it'll ask you to place your key card on the center console, but instead of doing that, just tap your key card on the B pillar right underneath the camera. That should activate the process, and then your phone will say finishing up, and then it's done. That's how you do it from the outside. Pretty easy.
Now before we tell you the second method, be sure to smash that like button and subscribe. Oh god. That really hurt when I said it. Okay.
Yeah, or you could just press it nicely. You don't have to smash it.
Either way, it'll be the best decision you make today. And that's bars. Okay, we can cut that bars bit out.
Mm-hmm. For the second method, we're going to be inside the car, and it's a pretty similar process.
So just like before, open up the Tesla app, press Phone Key, and then Start. When your phone has found the car, what you're going to do differently this time is place the key card on that center console just behind the cup holders instead of on the B pillar. You'll get that same finishing up and then a success message at the end when your phone is connected to your car.
Once you've set up your phone key, you can then link it to your driver profile. This basically means that when your Tesla detects your phone key, it'll automatically change the driver profile to the one that's linked to that key. You'll need to do this manually though. First, select your profile from the top of the screen. Then go to Controls from the bottom right-hand side of the screen. Then click Locks. From there, click the little person icon next to the key that you want to link your profile to. And then you should see your name pop up underneath that key, which means that your profile is then linked.
If you want to learn more about what the Tesla app can do, check out our other video where we go through literally everything the Tesla app can do.
Yeah, and if there's anything else you're curious about with the Tesla Model 3, check out our playlist, The Complete Tesla Guide, where we walk through everything from like our service appointment to taking off the aero wheel covers, climate controls. There's a lot of stuff in there, so give it a look.
Just say check it out!
So check it out.
Also, be sure to like and subscribe because it really helps us create more content like this.
That's all from the Master Brothers.
We'll catch you on the flippity flip.